this is just a test video more than anything else. I've done a test stream. I want to make sure that FFmpeg encodes properly in OBS and that I can upload properly on YouTube, because I use Manjaro Linux with a native build of OBS Git with FFmpeg for GPU accelerated encoding. Also, this is the standard install of WoW from lutris using the regular script. I'm getting right around my monitor's 165 FPS, which is where I have that's where I have WoW capped at. Frame rate wise, 30 background FPS, 165 foreground. I have when I was in 5 2600. And an RX 5700 8GB graphics card. With the AMDGPU drivers, I'm running kernel 5.9.10 maybe? Not quite sure on the second point release. But standard AMD GPU drivers, open source. No.
You need something?
AMD GPU Pro or anything like that.
See you around. Hello. Have a good one.
So this is fully open source driver stack. Using only open source software to encode and record from top to bottom. The only closed source stuff in this entire stack is the game itself, which is crazy. Anyway, this is just a test, so I'm going to sign off right here and call that good.